Again, on a new video reaction, I just want us to know the activities of Biafran Republic government in exile, especially Biafran Liberation Army in Biafran land today. The video on the picture, rather, it's not a video. This one is picture. We are going to, get to the video part. But this picture you are seeing here is one of the activities of Biafran Liberation Army in Omahia. All the states in Biafran land, especially Igbo-speaking parts, otherwise known as Southeast Biafran land, Biafran Liberation Army are there doing a very, very, very busy work. Now, this is Defense Headquarters Biafran Liberation Army, their ex-handle. They said, breaking, the Biafran Resistance Fighters, BRF, visited and crushed the terrorist Nigerian army base along Omahia, Onimo Road earlier this morning. That is coming to you today, being 13th of November 2024. Now, this is not the only one. A lot of clips are flying on social media. Remember, we are not here to promote violence. We are here to report to you the event that is coming from Biafran land and other news that have, just for you to be aware of what is going on. I'm not here to promote any violence or preach violence. No, I'm only reporting the news that is in public domain. Please don't get it twisted. Now, there's a clip that I want you to watch. And on this clip that you're about to watch now, pay very, very close attention because you're going to learn a lot from this. For some of you that are somehow, worried, or things are not clear, you don't understand what is going on. When people say that Biafran land is safe and Biafran army are not after anybody, like some people are painting it to look like, just to scare people away. Now, this will prove to you the reality. Now, watch this video.
What can you imagine? That I have for myself. I can't for myself. Now I have what? Me and somebody no my problem.
The moment.
Can you imagine?
That's the moment. Okay, if you have listened to what this lady said, she says something very, very important, that other cars, other vehicles are passing. This is Biafran Liberation Army engaging checkpoint in this, town. I don't know the name of this place. Then the lady, it happened that these people that recorded the video, they are in their home. Can you imagine? This is somebody's house where they're living, and next thing is checkpoint. Next thing is activities of Nigerian security agents in somebody's house. Just you come out from your house, what we are seeing next is presence of army or police and what have you, which you can't see that in other part of the country. Now, they recorded this video to prove to the whole world that they witnessed this thing. So it's not as if somebody made this video to blackmail or to cajoke anybody. This video is a kind of private video that they decided to make for themselves. And she said that we have been hearing this. Today we are witnessing this. And do you notice something? That other vehicles are passing. Now, if they are criminals, like some people are painting it to look like, other vehicles will not summon, drivers will not summon courage to pass along where this kind of thing is happening. But they know that this is their people. Now, pay very good attention to that again so that you understand what I'm saying. Listen. Now listen.
Jesus Christ. Jesus, I have to
You see the vehicle? Did you notice the vehicle that just passed now? Let me see if I can take it back a bit. Did you see that white car? Look at it again. Now, are you trying to tell me that criminals are operating, maybe armed robbers are robbing vehicle or people on the way, on the street, on the road in Nigeria, for example, and you notice that there's operation going, there's armed robbery operation going on somewhere, and you have the courage, Even after hearing the sound of gunshot, too, you have the courage to drive through that road. My brothers, my sisters, is not possible. This is evidence number one. Let's continue.
What can you imagine? That I got for my force. I got for my force. Now I have what? There's so many no problem. Apparently, I've got so many no problem. I'm not sure. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I can't have a lot of force.
As an Igbo person, be paying attention to the conversation of this girl or lady with maybe his brother or his husband, maybe her brother or her husband. I don't know, but two of them are having very good conversation about what they are seeing. This is Eyewitness reporting about what they are seeing, and they are the one that filmed this video. They film it, and you can hear what they're saying. That we have been hearing this today, we are witnessing it. We have been hearing this. That is the operation of Biafra Liberation Army. Today we are witnessing it, and the language they're speaking, automatically I can conclude that it is in Imo State, because this is Imo State language. I can hear their dialect. She said no, they go that these are children. No. These are very, very funny. Man, that's it. This one is very funny. I have to be honest, it's very, very funny. So that is the video that I want to share with you at this moment. And we still have other things to share with you. We still have other things to share with you. Just a moment. So still on the operation of Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran resistance fighters in Biafran land, according to the update from Biafran Prime Minister's X handle, we have another clip for you. Today being November 13th, 2024. This is another video that you will see. You can see that this is a checkpoint. Okay, what I see now is checkpoint in Biafra land. This is what Nigerian security forces normally do. They just, pull this kind of bags and all that just to take money. I don't know what word to use to you understand? Just to escort money from people. Yeah, that's the word. To escort money from people. And they're doing that not one day, not 1 week, not 1 month, not 1 year, for a very long time. It has become a norm, a culture for them to take money from our people. And that is not why I am making video to tell you. That's not the reason why I'm making this video, to tell you that they are taking money from our people. No, the video is all about how people are now resisting that kind of action they normally do. And let's hear what the video is all about. Now, remember, the people that filmed this video also are not Biafran Liberation Army. These are residents in those areas that made the video. Why I'm pointing that is for you to understand that people, when you hear people saying, "Oh, you are causing problem in our land," the eyewitness, people that are experiencing the whole thing, that are witnessing the whole thing, are contented and are happy, that jubilating about it. And that is what, people are not telling you about the whole thing. Like I said, this video is not to promote violence. And what I'm trying to tell you, or what my aim of making the video is to explain to you, so that you will know the reality. It's less for you to believe or to like or to choose what you want. You understand? But the most important thing is to understand the truth, to know the truth. Then you can now decide to mislead people with the truth that you know. That's your choice. I cannot control that. So this is another video that I want to share with you from Office of Biafran Prime Minister, and the video is all about making sure that kidnapping checkpoint and all that in Biafran land is being dealt with. That's what I can hear from what I'm saying here, and the writer for PM. He said other kidnapping checkpoints that are still doing strong head, your time is coming. If you tell these terrorists yesterday that today will be the end, that they will not agree. You understand that kind of thing. So what that means anyway. I don't want to say much because I want to manage the minutes on the video, just for us to catch up with all the clips that we are flying everywhere on social media today. Now listen.
Don't say no to we talk up. The angels are here. 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 We are removing it. Alex, we are giving you people order. Alex, we are giving you people order. We say we don't need this kind of nonsense again. Today is 13th. Today is 13th. 13th of November. 13th of November. 13th of November 2024. Alex, we are dismantling this checkpoint and we are giving you a direct order. We are giving you a direct order. We are giving you a direct order not to come close. If we see this nonsense again, Alex, you are gone.
So that is in Biafra land. That is in Biafra land, and still in Biafra land, but from Riverline area. And this one you are seeing here is current video of current situation, okay, of farmers in Delta State, Biafra land, of course. Now, what you are seeing now is Fulani people still doing what they know how to do best in Delta. You can't see this kind of thing. You hardly see it now in the 5 states, Igbo-speaking 5 states of Biafra land, and people who claim they are Deltans, that this thing it cannot, you guys, that this is your Biafra of 13, don't bring it here, this and that. Now they are now shifting their attack on Delta and other region in a Riverline area. So what you are going to see now is the Fulani people doing what they know how to do, like I said, and the situation in Biafran land, as you can see, what Biafra Division Army are doing there is what Biafra needs to extend to Delta State if the indigenous people from those areas, key in and do the needful. Because this is a task that Biafrans are paying to rescue themselves from invaders. This is not about hatred to any tribe. It's not against any nations like Fulanis or anybody, but let's call a spade a spade. What is bad. So let's watch it and see how far we can go on that.
Alright, my country people, when they watch this video now, when they watch, so it happened for Delta State, for Elu Isoko, for Delta State, now this one they happen. But anyway, when for happen, not really mean. What is important to say, this farm that people own, that person I plant this cassava and corn. When you see say cow just dey scatter like this, now wetin dey bring problem between the herders and the farmers na be this one. So if the farmer when be say he plant these crops and he come me say something like this happen, he go dey happy? No, he no go dey happy. So if he come react now, issue go come and the issue na dey bring wahala. If person come do anything otherwise against this cow now and the owner of the farm come, You can't do anything otherwise against this cow. Waiting will be the reaction of the people. So make una watch the video well. See, just they look at this one, look at this one. Now they see am. Now corn na be this one when be say it don't grow finish. The corn when don't grow finish when be say person now for don dey harvest. See wetin dey happen. And the problem it never finish. If not be like say then they kidnap people today, na another thing. So as now they watch this video, everybody need to take caution. Everybody need to arrange on how things go dey run, because this thing no good at all.
Okay, you have watched it, right? This is just a short video. This is one out of many, and that is the reason why people are yearning for independence of Biafra and Biafran freedom, simply because there is no way you I think you listen to what this lady said here. People need to take caution and all that. It's not about taking caution. It's about providing real solution that will end this kind of thing. The reason why it's not as if this cow don't have someone that is directing them. They do, but the intention is to make it look like, to create fear in the minds of people, so that you cannot do anything, so that they will subdue you, not only your farm, your ancestral land, everything will be taken by force. This is a movement with is the agenda, or should I say tax, that has to do with the barrel of gun. If you know. The only thing they are doing is to create fear. If you don't want to submit, they will make you to submit by force. Anyway, this is what I have to tell you on this. But let me know your own take on this, because I believe before now, Enugu, Ebonyi, Anambra, Imo have witnessed the same issue in the past. That is what you need to know. And today, the situation has changed, and somebody is responsible for that. Even though some people are pretending that nothing is going on, that it is by their making or by their governor. But that is what it is. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Like and subscribe if you have not. And comment, of course. See you again on the next one. Bye-bye for now.